how to share your profile on UpScrolled. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you want to share your UpScrolled profile with friends, followers, or your audiences, selling your profile link is super quick and easy. First of all, open the UpScrolled application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. Once you get to your profile section, go ahead and select the share or the arrow button right next to edit profile at the top right. You'll then see your profile link, your URL, and your QR on the next page. To share the invite link or your profile link to your friends, click on Share Invite and then select any contact you want to invite. Choose the contact. You can choose them from any social messaging platforms or even from your contact list. Just select the contact and click the send button right next to their name in order to share your profile with them. You can also share the profile link via other social messaging applications such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS, Telegram, email, etc. You can also simply click on the copy button to copy the link and paste it whenever needed or wherever you want to share your profile link from. If someone says they can't see your profile, then make sure your profile is set to public. If it is private, they will not be able to view your profile, even with the link. So that's how you easily share your UpScrolled profile. Now you can easily show off your scrolls, share your creativity, and invite others to follow your work. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.